In this video, I will show you a 3-step method where you will learn how to make money online, $15,000 to be precise, over and over again. So basically, you will be working one time and making money continuously, non-stop, uninterrupted. The best of the best part, it can be done from anywhere on the planet. And you can get paid through PayPal, through bank transfer, through crypto if you want, and through any other payment methods. This works everywhere and every time. And it can be done even if you are a complete beginner. All you have to do, use my free software. Link in the description. Don't worry about it. You can go later. Most important is to watch the video and get all the 3 steps. If I were you, I would use a pen and a paper to take short notes and get all the information written down so I can get access to it anytime I want. If you feel, watch this video multiple times, but make sure you watch it fully because it comes with a 3-step method, completely free system, a system where you don't need your own website, you don't need experience, you don't need technical knowledge, but you will still be able to make money using all free resources and something that you may already own. If we are ready, let's begin. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. This way they also learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. The most sustainable way, and working one time but making money over and over. Done? Let's do this. Back when I started to dig how to make money online, I learned a lot of stuff, and the first day, the moment the first dollar, it was a few dollars, $19 maybe, came in, that was my life-changing moment. I came to know that this actually works. You can actually make money using your computer and the internet connection. And immediately, all the dreams were coming true. The dreams of quitting my job, the dreams of spending more time with my family. Spending whole day at home if you want, traveling anywhere you want, whenever you want, whatever car you want to buy, wherever you want to stay. All these were coming true, but it was just a few dollars. So now I knew I need to do the exact same thing to make money again. I'll give you an example. Making money first time, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time is super easy. The example is this. Let's say somebody is looking for this remote and he's ready to pay for it $100. Now, maybe you have sourced it, or you found a source where somebody is selling a second-hand or a used remote for $50. So what you will do, now you offer the buyer that I can give it to you for $95. Because he is already ready to spend $100 for it, $95 will be a win. They will give you the $95, you pay the supplier $50, deliver the product to the buyer, and you make $45 profit without even buying anything, without spending any money, without investment, without technical knowledge, experience, anything at all. All you needed was finding someone who is looking for something and ready to pay for it, and then find a source. Now, this is work. You need to do it. It's a hustle. So I was actually back to the day job from home. So I was doing what I was doing and making some money. Yes, the money was good. It was exciting. But the problem was I had to work every single day. And every day's work would make money every day. Very soon, I didn't like it. Now I wanted money without work. I wanted to work one time and make money all the time. No, I wanted to work one time and make money continuously. And I wanted to take vacations. I wanted to enjoy weekends and still making money. That was the problem. But soon I figured there are ways to earn continuous income for one-time work. And in this video, I'm going to show one of those ways. For this, you don't need your technical knowledge. For this, you don't need expensive tools or expensive softwares. Basically, the main software you need will be free for you, and it's my software. Link will be in the description. Go get it right now before it's too late. All you need is free internet connection and your computer, and if you want, you can do it from your phone as well. And this comes with an example who is making thousands of dollars per day using just his phone. So here we are. Now we are on TikTok and I have nothing but respect for this TikToker. I found him while just looking around, and because I like this, so I focused on his videos. And what I found is he make TikToks about how to shoot better photos with your phone or your iPhone. He calls himself JD the camera guy. Find him on TikTok and you will find amazing photography tips. Literally, your photography will improve just by watching his videos. The tips and tricks you will learn from this channel is mind-blowing. Now, where is the money? Before we go to the money, let me show you where the money comes from. I'll give you an example. This is one of my products. It's called Host Zpresso. Now, Host Zpresso already crossed $100,000 mark in sales. Now, this section that you see is only our promotion as affiliate promoting Host Zpresso, our own product. So what we did so far is send 3,295 people to our link. And you can see more than 28% people took a decision of purchasing. This is amazing, really amazing. In the internet marketing, getting 1% to 5%, maximum 10% conversion is mind-blowing. This is amazing. And again, look at the number of hops. It means every click we sent to this link paid us $5.23. So for 3,200 clicks, we made $17,000. Super easy. Now, if you send 10,000 clicks, we'll make 3 times more. So we continuously send traffic to this link and continuously make money. What do we learn from this? Pretty simple. Send clicks or send traffic or send visitors to your links or affiliate links and they will buy. Why will they buy? Because they need it. Host Zpresso is a hosting server solution. I'll put a link somewhere in the description. Normally, you have to pay monthly or annual recurring fees for using hosting servers to host your websites. But Host Zpresso offers you one-time pay. So that's a solution to a big problem. A lot of people needs it, a lot of people finds it awesome, they buy it. If you are buying, super awesome. If you want to promote it, that is also super awesome. I will leave links in the description. And in case you don't find any link in the description, go to Warrior Plus, create your free affiliate account, and then go to the affiliate section, click offers. Look for HOSTZPRESSO. Hit enter and you will see Host Zpresso. You'll have to click the request button. You should mention while applying that you got this information from my video and we will approve you. And once we approve you, this will be your link, or your link will be like this. Copy this link and paste it anywhere you want to send traffic to. Now let me show you how this person is doing it. If you go to his channel main page, or in Instagram you call it bio, then this is his bio and this is his TikTok page. And he posts a lot of videos, of course. You see this little link? This link is his website link. Click open anyway, and all his links are in one place. His social media best presets, has become a great iPhone photographer, his YouTube channel link, TikTok channel link, Instagram channel link, and Facebook channel link. This is the first link and he's selling it for approximately $47 or so. This is the second one, which is iPhone tip cards. It's also around $50 or $57, something like that. Now they're currently showing in dirhams. Now if you look at this, ask yourself, what is this? These are cards, means a little tip on iPhone photography, which already he is giving away in his TikTok, in his Facebook, in his Instagram, and in his YouTube channel. So back in the day, what I learned is working one time and making money all the time. This is what he's doing. He made a couple of videos, or whenever he shoot videos, he posts it everywhere, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, and get traffic from everywhere to one link. This is the same link. He's posting on Instagram, he's posting on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube, just like us. Now, if you want to do it, very easy. Collect your affiliate link of Host Zpresso and use my free software link in the description. It's called Epic. Make videos. Make one video, publish it everywhere. Why Epic? Because Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos and record all those sections and finally click one button and compile it to one long video. You don't have to speak long time just like me on the camera, and you don't need to be on the camera. And it allows you to import images, contents just by copying and pasting. So this is one of the videos that we created using Epic. And you see this little video as shorts on YouTube, it got 82 views in a very short time. We have other videos that got even 500 views, 1000 views. Like this one, 500 views, 600 views. We have more videos. All these views are actually clicks, and for all these clicks, we are making money. So simple, go collect your HostDepresso affiliate link or any link you want. Make videos using Epic, post it everywhere. Make it one video, short, one time, half a minute, even 10-second videos, and post it everywhere. If you want to make iPhone photography video, that's awesome, no problem. Even that is an awesome niche. And if you want to learn from him and start posting, that will also be your content created by you. And Epic will help you make videos. So let me show you quickly how to make videos. This is the hosting server review. And you want to use this as the base of your video, and you want to make a 1-minute video. Okay, let's make a video about 10 hosting servers. You can copy text from anywhere. You can go to the text section, press and add text. This is one way, edit it and use it. You can use the same text and go to the text generator and paste it here, rewrite the text and make it unique and make it your own. So you can use the spin text, the text will be spun automatically, unique and new. This is your text. You can use it as a text or just use an image. And then copy this text, go to the audio section, click text to audio, name it, choose an awesome voice type. This is natural voice. Just add and submit. Natural voiceover will be created for your video. Let's listen to this.
At the really top of the web hosting carrier scoreboard is Bluehost.
Super cool, right? Now you want to add some image. Take any image from any screenshot software, drag and drop the image here, one click to use it, tilt it to make it dramatic. You want to use this image directly, just copy image address and simply paste it here. Your image is imported. Now tilt it a little bit to make it dramatic. One click to add the voiceover, and once you are done, happy, make another bite-sized video here. If you're totally happy with everything you have done, click render and the video is ready. This is how we make videos every single day. We're getting traffic to our links and we are making money, and you can do it too. Go do it right now. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this way you will help them learn how to make money online. And we will see you in the next video.